Slime video. We're playing slime again.
Again?
Yeah, my brother's here. He is rubbing his foot on the carpet. Wow. And my brother's face will reveal like in a few videos. You already know my face. So my brother's coming. Are you done?
No.
He's not done. The slime is up. It's sticky. But it's a... I already showed you guys the slime kit for girls thing. Kit. So... I'm telling him to sit down. Here's clear slime. And I have maroon slime with a lot of pigment. Well, in the slime kit, as you guys know, it's called makeup powder. It says the food coloring is pigments. So we're gonna do something with this clear slime. Very sticky. It's very sticky. Let me just get this. It's another slime I forgot to show you. It's the clay slime. That is me! It's from the slime kit for girls. Look at that. Sticky. Oh wow. Not even more. Wait, I'll be back. My brother got his clay slime. My clay slime is the best slime we have. Okay, I'm gonna put this clear slime in it. And sorry for not editing the last few videos because I was really busy. It was kind of boring, so. And I need to get myself an editor. My brother is putting the slime away. It's too sticky. It's too sticky. When you touch this, all the stickiness goes in here and it's not sticky anymore. Can I do it? Uh oh. Can I touch it? Oh wow. Let me just do a quick little squirrel. And I think this is the best camera angle. So you can see the slime and the table and me also. So, okay. Now I'm just gonna do a squirrel here. Okay, back. Wait. That's a sneak peek. Oh yeah. And you guys are probably asking why are we not doing the slime blanket for girls adding in yet. Because we want to have some fun with it. Okay, this is the worst squirrel I ever did.
What?
Worst squirrel ever.
Yeah, I know.
This is going to be nice. I can feel it in my bones. Shivering. And it's still going. Look at that. That sounds so good. My knees hurt. And to make butter slime better, you're supposed to add foam soap. And be sure to check Jessica Mira's channel because she always gave me advice. I look at her videos and then I got advice because she can't come in real life and say, hey, do that, and do that for me. And I'm so perfect. And Jessica Mira does not talk like that.
I know.
She has a better screaming voice.
Ingredients blanket for girls.
So he wants to use the ingredients from Side for Girls. So you guys know the ingredients.
I'm a boy as well.
Okay, whoa. What ingredient would you like? Okay, you want you want some. What do you want?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll just give you this.
Oh yeah, I need activator.
Nah.
I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna give him.
No.
I'm gonna give him some scent. What scent do you want? What strawberry? Yum. Ooh, it smells like clay. Clay is actually really strong. So, yeah. I add chocolate scent to this. It
Did
not.
nothing.
And chocolate scent is the strongest.
Yeah, I'm like, bro, how did it not work?
You have to tell us in the comments that how much long should we do the video.
How long should we do the video?
And slime does not stick. I mean, this slime is butter slime and it has clay in it, so it does not stick. See?
Butter.
But it has hair on it now. That's bad. You. Okay. So now,
Look,
let's add
that's
some.
not your skin.
I know, that's just bleach.
Bleach. Bleach.
What's going on, guys? That's just funny. Okay, let's add some pigment.
Mica powder.
Oh, it's called Mica powder.
Sorry if it's backwards.
Yeah, it is.
But turn it backwards.
I'm gonna add some of this one. This color is so pretty, just like this one. I'm gonna add both of these as a mix. Which one would you like? What?
I would like blue.
Take it. So he wants blue. Do you want gold as well?
What's this?
It's
It's no gold.
You want gold as well?
Yeah.
He wants blue and gold. And I want pink and bronze. Do you know what? Bronze is so pretty. So I'm gonna make like a little pool in here. And then I'm gonna just... No, no pool. I'm gonna do satisfying moments with it. Okay. I think I might have to grab the camera to do it. First, let's do my brother's. Here, do it. That's good, bro. That's good. It's stuck up here. Grab the camera. Oh, you almost did it. Sorry. I don't know how to do it. Oh. Sorry, guys. Oh my. Okay. Now my brother is just gonna do that. Mix it. Mix it? Yes. Is this even doing anything? Look at that. It did barely anything. He's like, I'm so worried. Okay, this is so pretty.
Okay,
What's
so
this?
pretty.
My gosh. My gosh. Okay. So now you get some of the clear slime. And if stains, you can get it out. We have wood table like us. It's gone. I know. I'll just do satisfying moments right here. Done, boo. Done.
You mix it.
So satisfying. Okay. Come on.
Come on, what?
It's a belt. We'll clean up the table. Ooh, look at this squirrel. Look, it's kind of changing the color. Look, it kind of changed the color. Now my turn. So you grab the pigment, and then you grab the fancy spoon, and then you just get a spoonful of that, and you flip it over, and then you spread it around. I'm gonna do 2 colors at once. So pink is done. Now let's do bronze. This color is so pretty. Bro, stop adding a lot. My brother's literally adding so much pigment, aka makeup powder. Tell us, guys, what name is it? Is it makeup powder, or do you pronounce it differently, or is it just pigment?
I think it's pigment.
Look at this.
It's dying my slime a little.
Oh my god. I literally had to show you guys how this is. Like, whoa.
Oh,
Yellow.
your slime's turning yellow. See?
Now let's move. 3, 2, 1.
So I think we should end the video.
Wait, we can't end the video without a squirrel. Oh, look at that beauty. Bye, guys. Poop.